I am terrible at making decisions, so I decided to get my PhD in decision making using math. It makes sense. Hear me out. I usually hate making decisions because I need to make sure that I choose exactly correctly. I'll agonize for hours over restaurant menus, what to wear. Honestly, it's a miracle that I decided what to make this video about. But that's why I love operations research, especially optimization. If you're trying to maximize some value given a set of constraints, the right formulation can help you find the best answer, provably the best. Want to find the shortest route between all the errands you need to run? That's the traveling salesman problem. Want to pair people up on a dating show? That's a matching problem. Want to pull off a museum heist to get the most value out of the things you can carry? That's illegal. And it's also the knapsack problem. If you accurately define your problem, you can plug everything into a solver like Garobi and get the exact answer. Of course, there are caveats. We're assuming that all the inputs are known and correct and aren't changing, and we assume that we know exactly what we want to optimize. But anytime you find an issue that makes solving an optimization problem difficult, you can also find an operations researcher working to make it easier. For example, you can solve the same problem with different objectives and compare the results. You can use advanced math tools to take uncertainty into account. You can get a PhD and spend 5 years working on the same problem, where overanalyzing things is part of the job description. And that is why I decided to study operations research. Now, if only I could decide what to eat for dinner.